I just received 10 Sol completely for free, and there's a chance this airdrop might also be available for your wallet. Right now, I'll show you how to check it in less than a minute. Hey everyone, a new Solana community airdrop has just appeared, and it's being distributed among active users of the Solana network. If you've had transactions, owned NFTs, or staked Sol, there's a chance you're eligible for a reward as well. In this video, I'll show you how to quickly check and claim your tokens. Let's go. I'm moving to the computer and opening the airdrop website. This is where they're distributing Sol to users of the Solana ecosystem. The more activity you've had on Solana, the higher your chances of getting a reward. They take several things into account: the number of transactions, NFTs in your wallet, participation in ecosystem projects, and staking activity. Now I'll show you how to check if you're eligible for the airdrop. First, click the Check Eligibility button. Then enter your Solana wallet address. And click Verify Address. The site will now check your activity on the Solana network, which usually takes just a few seconds. And as we can see, my address is eligible for 10 Sol. The system shows my activity. I had 195 transactions on Tensor, 11 NFTs from the DeGods collection, and staking has been active for more than 240 days. That's why my wallet qualified for 10 Sol in this airdrop. Now we click the Claim Tokens button and confirm the transaction in the wallet. About 3 minutes later, as you can see, the 10 Sol has already arrived in my wallet. Now you can also check if this airdrop is available for you. The link to the website will be in the description below this video. Write in the comments how much Sol you managed to claim. And don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss new videos about airdrops and crypto opportunities.